When one of my friends started affiliate marketing, he did what most beginners do. He picked a niche, joined a few affiliate programs, and began promoting products online. He posted blog posts, shared links on Instagram, and even tried YouTube reviews. It worked, kind of. He got clicks, but very few turned into sales. Unable to control his frustration, David wondered aloud, is there a way to earn money without waiting for someone to pull out their credit card? That's when he stumbled upon pay-per-call marketing. This is a performance-based model where you earn a commission each time a qualified lead calls a business through your tracking number. It completely changed his view of affiliate marketing. In this article, we'll explore the benefits of pay-per-call versus traditional affiliate marketing, so you can decide which model fits your goals, skills, and audience. First, let's understand the two models. 1. Traditional affiliate marketing. This is the most common affiliate marketing form. You promote a product or service through a unique link. When someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission, usually a percentage of the sale. Example, you promote a $100 online course with a 30% commission rate. Every time someone buys something, you make $30. 2. Pay-per-call affiliate marketing. Instead of earning when someone buys, you earn when a potential customer calls a business using your unique tracking number. That call is directed to the company, and if it meets certain criteria, like call duration or lead quality, you get paid. Example, you promote a local plumbing service. When someone calls the unique tracking number you shared and speaks to the company for more than 60 seconds, you earn $20, $50 per call. Why pay-per-call can change the game. David's story is a good example of how the model differs from traditional methods. The focus shifts from convincing people to having real conversations. Let's look at the pros and cons of these new methods compared to the old ones. 1. Faster payouts with less resistance. In traditional affiliate marketing, you often have to convince people to buy something, and that means dealing with their doubts, budget concerns, and timing issues. Even if they click on your link, they might drop their cart. In pay-per-call, here you're only asking them to make a phone call. It's a small commitment, and people often call when they already have a need. That makes conversions easier and commissions faster. Example, if someone's air conditioner breaks in the summer, they're not thinking about it, they're calling right now. 2. Higher commissions per lead traditional affiliate marketing. Commission rates can be as low as 3 to 10% for physical products, like Amazon Associates, and around 20-50% for digital products. You need many sales to earn a decent income. Pay-per-call. Because the leads are often high value, e.g. in industries like law, finance, and healthcare, payouts can range from $50 to $200 plus per call. You need fewer conversions to reach your income goals. Example, one personal injury law firm might pay $150 for each qualified call. That's more than selling 5 mid-range software subscriptions. 3. Works perfectly for local and service-based businesses' traditional affiliate marketing. It's great for products and online services, but not every small business has an affiliate program. If you want to promote a local dentist or a roofer, you're out of luck. Pay-per-call. You can work with businesses without traditional affiliate programs. Service-based industries like plumbers, electricians, HVAC, cleaning services, and lawyers thrive on phone calls. This opens up huge opportunities, especially in smaller markets with less competition. 4. Easier to match urgent needs traditional affiliate marketing. You're often dealing with nice-to-have products. There is the possibility that someone will click on your link but not follow up for several days or weeks. Pay per call. You tap into must-have now situations. Emergencies, consultations, and bookings often start with a phone call. This urgency means faster action and higher conversion rates. 5. You don't need a website to start traditional affiliate marketing. While you can promote links on social media, having a website is an advantage for SEO and trust building. Without it, you're limited. Pay per call. You can start with a tracking phone number. Share it in Google Ads, social media posts, YouTube videos, or even flyers. Your job is to get that number in front of the right people at the right time. 6. Better tracking and attribution, traditional affiliate marketing. Tracking can be tricky. If people click on your link but later clear cookies or use a different device, you might lose commission. Pay per call. Calls are tracked directly through unique phone numbers, so the tracking is straightforward. If they call, it's logged. No cookies to worry about. When traditional affiliate marketing has the edge. While pay-per-call sounds powerful, and it is, traditional affiliate marketing still has advantages in certain cases. Passive income potential. Once your blog post or YouTube video ranks, it can bring in sales for months or years without active effort. Scalability for global audiences. You can sell to anyone, anywhere, without local limitations. Recurring commissions. Some programs offer monthly recurring payouts for subscriptions, which can stack up over time. Which one should you choose? Here's the honest truth, you don't have to choose one forever. Successful marketers combine both. Use pay-per-call if your niche has urgent service-based needs or if you want higher payouts per conversion. Use traditional affiliate marketing for long-term content, global audiences, and digital products. David now does both. He runs local ads for pay-per-call offers during the day and builds affiliate content on his blog for passive income. The combination gives him immediate cash flow and a growing income stream over time. Tips to succeed in pay-per-call marketing. If you're considering pay-per-call, here are some practical tips. Choose the right network. Popular pay-per-call networks include RingPartner, MarketCall, and OfferVault. Pick high-value niches. Legal, finance, medical, and home services are likely to have higher payouts. Focus on targeted traffic. Ads and content should speak directly to people who need the service now. Track and optimize. Monitor which ads, keywords, or campaigns bring in the best calls and focus on those. Follow compliance rules. Always follow advertising guidelines, especially in sensitive industries like healthcare or finance. Final thoughts, affiliate marketing has evolved beyond just get a link and hope for clicks. Pay-per-call is proof that you can get paid for generating leads without waiting for a sale. If you're tired of low commissions or struggling to convince people to buy, pay-per-call might be your shortcut to faster, higher earnings. Traditional affiliate marketing still has its place, especially for building long-term passive income. But if you combine both, you can have the benefit of both worlds. A steady cash flow from calls and steady income from sales. Overall, whether you're a business owner, student, or content creator, the right method depends on your audience, your skills, and how quickly you want results.